Hello everybody, welcome for another video. Today I find a really interesting video on YouTube about TIG welding technique. So TIG welding technique, why welders don't talk about it. So let's get started. So one thing I need to say is that I like the music. I really enjoy the music. The beat, really nice beat. By the way, what is this TORS model? Did somebody know what is this TORS model? So as you can see, I think the bead looks really good, yes, but there is no penetration. And this could be an issue in real life. There is no penetration here. And I also think that the material will be contaminated because he's welding in the wrong, I think it's the wrong way. It's welding the wrong way. Yes, what do you think about it? Let's have a look. So the welder, he showed the puddle he did not show the puddle properly, right? He did not show the puddle properly. You need to control the puddle, because puddle control is the magic for TIG welding. TIG welding is, you need to control the puddle. This is the key for TIG welding. Really good. It look good. It look good. So one thing I need to show you. Maybe he would change the perspective. Let's say, oh, not yet. Oh, yes. Now this is a really nice view now. Have a look on the road. What do you think? Not the direction, but look how the road is going into the argon. Yes. So for me, this is not correct. Yes. The road has to go into the edge of the puddle, not in the argon. Yes, the rod has to go into the edge of the puddle, not in the argon. But to be honest, this is really nice video to show how TIG welding is done, the technique of TIG welding. Comment down below, what do you think about it? And if you want to learn more about welding, go to WeldingTroop.com. WeldingTroop.com. See you next time. Bye bye.